Hey guys, we are gonna deep clean my kitchen and I got all my stuff ready. Just kidding. Okay, we're gonna deep clean my kitchen. The first thing I wanna do is show you the tools I'm going to use to make this super fast and super easy. Okay, first up, I have the Norwex mop system and 2 mop pads. I have the dry mop pad, which is like your broom, and the wet mop pad that you can clean your floors with only water, and this special magic pad removes 99% of bacteria. I have the Norwex Enviro wand. This is a dusting wand. It's also bendable. So this is gonna be so helpful to get those hard to reach areas. Okay, now I have 2 Norwex Enviro cloths. These cloths can be used with just water. They remove all the grime and 99% of bacteria, which is awesome, so I can keep chemicals out of the kitchen. Now for all my shiny surfaces, like the stainless and granite, I'm gonna use the Enviro cloth first and then the window cloth. This is your polishing cloth. It gives you a streak-free shine every single time. Now I'm also not sure what messes I'm gonna run into, so I have a few scrubbies. I'm not sure which ones I'll use yet, but we'll see when we get there. So there's 3 different options here. I have an Enviro scrub. These come in a pack of 3. We've got scrubby on one side, Enviro cloth texture on the other side. Next is the Ultra Scrub Cloth. This is amazing. It has a really scrubby texture on one side, but it does not scratch, and then an Enviro cloth on the other side. This I love using on my granite. Next up, I have the non-scratching Sperry sponge. This is very inexpensive, comes in a box of 2, and this is my ultimate deep scrubber when I need to put a little bit of muscle into something. And what I love about this is it does not scratch. So this works great on glass top stoves, stainless steel, you name it, gives you lots of power without any of the damage. And then the 2 products that I have, just in case I need a little extra help, is the Power Cleaning Paste, non-toxic. The main ingredients are marble flour, coconut oil, natural soap, and baking soda. This is one of my best friends when I'm cleaning. And then I also have this multi-purpose everyday cleaner. The multi-purpose everyday cleaner gets diluted in a spray bottle, so this is a concentrate. It has probiotics in it. And what I love about this is that when I'm cleaning a surface with lots of little crevices, think granite, even hardwood, it's good on all your hard surfaces. The probiotics get down into all those cracks and crevices, remove bacteria, give it a deep clean, and I really love this because it keeps working for up to 7 days. So this is also removing bacteria, and it's a preventative. So if someone's sick in our house, I will always use this. I use this all the time anyway, but really, if someone is sick, I use this even more to get all the high touch surfaces, because sometimes I can't clean every 5 minutes, but this keeps working for up to 7 days, which is amazing. Next, first thing I want to do is remove everything from the surfaces. Start at the top. This is the Dusting Enviro wand, and you can snap it right on the bottom of the Norwex mop handle. This also bends, so we're gonna get the top of the cabinets. I love that I do not need a ladder to get this area clean. Oh my gosh, Christmas decoration. I can also use this to clean in my can lights, which get really dusty. We're gonna get this Enviro cloth ready to work. All we do is turn on some water and saturate the cloth with water. Once you have it nice and wet, we're gonna wring it out and fold it. When you fold your Enviro cloth to use it, you always wanna clean with a flat side of the Enviro cloth. So I fold it in half and then fold it in half again. That gives me a nice space to work with. I'm gonna clean the cabinets, and I do have the Enviro cloth wet with water, but since these are wood cabinets, there's lots of texture, greasy fingerprints, all the fun stuff. I am using that multi-purpose everyday cleaner to give these a nice deep clean. So I'm just gonna spray that multi-purpose cleaner directly on the cabinet. We'll give it a second, and then we're gonna wipe. So I'm gonna go through and get all of these done. And we're gonna clean my countertops the exact same way. I'm gonna use the multi-purpose everyday cleaner. I'm gonna start though by cleaning the wall behind the countertop. And for this, I'm not using the multi-purpose everyday cleaner, just the Enviro cloth alone. And I'm paying special attention to the light switches where we get lots of bacteria, fingerprints, things like that. And now that the backsplash is done, I'm gonna give this a quick little spray. We'll let that sit for a couple minutes. And then we're gonna come back and just give it a nice clean with that Enviro cloth. And there's lots of debris on here. I'm really glad I'm doing this today. Look at how much my Enviro cloth picked up. Does such a great job. I am gonna flip this over and get a new side and keep going. I'm also gonna go ahead and get this wall here, which does get a little bit of grease on it from time to time. And since this is granite and it's much prettier when it shines, I'm gonna grab the dry window cloth, fold that over, and I'm gonna polish this up to a streak-free shine. The countertops look so good, they almost look wet. Those two cloths do such a great job. Fun fact, the kitchen sink is dirtier and has more bacteria than a public toilet. So we're gonna use the power cleaning paste and that non-scratching Sperry sponge. First thing I'm gonna do is get that sponge nice and wet, and then I'll rub it right into the cleaning paste, and we don't need much, just a little bit. And now we're gonna get to work and just give it a nice scrub. If you need a little bit more paste, just get another swipe. And what I love about this cleaning paste and really all Norwex products is that there's no harmful chemicals and my hands do not get dried out. I used to get the worst cracked hands when I was cleaning. It was terrible. And I'm gonna do the other side, get it a little bit more wet, get another swipe, and we're just gonna keep going until we finish this up. What I also like to do is that little edge on the Sperry sponge is take that along the edge of my sink and get in that little crevice. We have hard water and it helps get rid of that hard water buildup as well. Now you can also use this on your fixtures. So if you have hard water buildup, lots of grime on here, this is a really easy way to get that nice and clean. And now to clean this off, I'm just gonna take my damp Enviro cloth and go over it, get all that paste off the counter, and then I'll polish this up with a dry window cloth. So fast, so easy, and boy, it looks good. Now I'm gonna rinse out the sink. We're gonna rinse off all of this cleaning paste, and you're just gonna be amazed with how shiny this is. I really love how easily this rinses off. So even though this was literally covered with the cleaning paste, it just looks so good now. We're almost done. I'm gonna get all the stainless appliances and I'm gonna clean them all the same way. I wrote us a little note in butter. It says, hey girl, hey. So really fast and easy to keep your stainless clean. I have a fresh damp Enviro cloth, because the other one was just full of stuff. We're gonna get all the grime off of here, and I'm gonna make sure that I get the handles, because this is removing 99% of bacteria too. So lots of kid fingers get in here. We're gonna get that really good. Let's get the drawers, really everything. And then we're gonna take the dry window cloth and we're gonna bring it to a streak-free shine. So just go over it the same way you did with the Enviro cloth, super fast and super easy. And we're getting rid of fingerprints, all the grime, and bonus, 99% of bacteria, which is great, and no harmful chemicals used. So even with butter on here, look how nice it looks. Looks so clean, it's like a mirror. So I'm gonna go through and get all of my appliances. I'm also gonna take that Enviro cloth and possibly the multi-purpose everyday cleaner. And I'm just gonna go through and get any cabinets that I missed. So like the cabinet knobs up here, there's lots of cabinets along the bottom. I'm just gonna give those a quick wipe with my Enviro cloth, and if I see any buildup, I'm gonna use that multi-purpose everyday cleaner, and then we're gonna do the floors. So the last thing I'm gonna use is my Norwex mop, get the floors nice and clean. I have 2 mop pads. The mop actually comes with these pads. The first one is your dry mop pad. This is like the broom. Yellow like the sun. Always use this one dry and use this one first. The second mop pad is the wet mop pad, blue like water. Just get this wet with water by itself. You don't need any additional cleaners. And when all of these things are dirty, we're just gonna throw them in the washing machine. So I have the dry mop pad, and we're just gonna go around in kind of a figure 8 and get all that debris. And what I also love about this is that it's thin enough to go under the appliances where lots of dog hair and crumbs can hide. And I went all around my kitchen. Let's see what we collected. This was a clean mop pad, you guys. Wow. Now, this is easy to clean off. I'm gonna take this Norwex rubber brush and I'm just gonna gently rub it down the mop pad, and look what we've collected. How gross is that? But at least it's off my floor. So I'm just gonna go over this once more, and we're going to clean off the rubber brush. And now it's time to wet mop. We're just gonna get the wet mop pad nice and wet, and you want to wring it out because it is the amazing microfiber it's made of that's going to do all the cleaning, so it doesn't need to be very wet. This also removes bacteria from our floors. It's so amazing. Okay, and another little tip is if you have a lot of buildup on your floor, whether it's hardwood floor or tile, if you have a lot of buildup, we made burgers last night, and so there's grease splatter on my floor. You can use this multi-purpose everyday cleaner on your floors and let the probiotics help you clean in all of those cracks and crevices. You'll get a much deeper shine, a better clean, in my opinion, and this keeps cleaning for up to 7 days, which is amazing. So I'm just gonna work in sections, just got a couple sprays, and you can either go back and forth or you can go in a figure eight. Really depends on what size your space is, whatever works easiest for you. And I'm just gonna work my way all the way around. And when I feel any buildup like that grease I felt right here, you can always just put another drop of that multi-purpose everyday cleaner and it's gonna help you cut through it. I don't always use the multi-purpose everyday cleaner, but on a day like today when I know I have grease on the floor, it does amazing. So my floors are finished and we're all done. And now anything that I've used that's dirty, I'm gonna pop it in the washing machine with a little bit of my Norwex detergent and be ready for the next big mess. I'll see you soon. Hope you enjoyed this video.